Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Rhinowalk Motorcycle Tail Bag. The main fabric is made of strong tear-resistant mesh cloth and the overall frame is supported by reinforced steel wire and PE board to ensure overall stability. Anti-slip and wear-resistant material is added to the bottom, which is both non-slip and durable. Number 2. KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Travel Luggage. KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Truck Duffel Bag compatible with Street Glide Road King Road Glide Electra Glide, Trike. The luggage tail bag dimension is 19.7 11.8 10.6 inches, expandable height is up to 13.3 inch. It has a large storage capacity that can handle everything from helmets to weeks' worth of clothing. Keep good shape and also have a wet-dry bag. Number 3. KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Saddlebags. Compared to other 883 saddlebags, the tail lights of these Sportster saddlebags can move back a few centimeters without touching the turn signals and shock absorbers, thereby affecting your motorcycle riding experience. The KEMIMOTO saddlebags have a large storage space of 32L, allowing riders to safely pack all necessary items such as clothes, gloves, mirrors, etc. Number 4. KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Travel Luggage Bag Sissy Bar Bag Motorcycle. These motorcycle travel luggage bags are of great suitability and could be mounted on the motorcycle seat like Sportster, Dyna, Softail, Road King, Road Glide, Electra Glide and Street Glide with or without a Sissy bar. The luggage tail bag can be mounted on your motorcycle tightly in two ways, one of which is that quick installation Sissy bar strap design, allowing you to keep it tight in your motorcycle. Number 5. KEMIMOTO Motorcycle Travel Luggage Bags 25L Motorcycle Tail Bags. The motorcycle tail bags install on the Sissy bar, luggage rack, or back seat, or clip onto most saddle men and women touring bags. KEMIMOTO tail bag 16-inch wide by 10-inch deep by 10-inch tall. There is a zipper side pocket for storing keys and cigarettes. This motorcycle Sissy bar bag can be expandable for storing phones, luggage, camera, clothes, and helmet.